Dear friends, welcome to the channel. Today we will be making a very famous dessert called pancakes, which dates back to ancient Greek time. First we will add 2 eggs and 4 tablespoons of powdered sugar. After adding powdered sugar, we will whisk for a minute so that the ingredients are uniformly mixed. In the next step, we will add 200 milliliters of milk, 90 grams of melted butter, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. This vanilla essence will give our pancakes a wonderful aroma. Here we will whisk again so that the ingredients are mixed properly. After whisking, we will add 2 cups of self-raising flour. Please use a blender to mix all the ingredients so that a homogeneous mixture is achieved. Halfway through mixing, we will add the remaining milk, which is 150 ml. Please blend for 2 minutes, and after that our pancake mixture will be ready for the next step. It's now time to make our delicious pancakes. For this, we will set the heat to low settings. When pancakes are made at low heat settings, this helps to cook them from inside and the outer texture is very fine. Here I am adding 1/4 cup pancake mixture onto a preheated pan. Please note that you can make the pancake of your size. You can change the side once you see bubbles on the top of the pancake. Cook for a minute after changing the side. Our pancakes are ready and we can stack them on the top of each other. You can decorate or garnish your pancakes with fresh fruits. I prefer using strawberries and blueberries as shown in the video. Next we will drizzle maple syrup on top of these pancakes. The maple syrup goes very well with the pancakes. Now we will add chocolate on top of our pancakes and fresh fruits in a zigzag manner. This adds to the flavor. In our final step, we will dust our pancakes with powdered sugar. This will not only add a texture to our pancakes but also add a flavor to it as well. Our pancakes are ready to be served. With this, it is goodbye from us for today. Take care of yourself and your loved ones. Please press the like button if you enjoyed our video today. And thanks for visiting our channel.